All right, YouTube, I'm on a cruise and I got the hiccups. Okay, that was one right there. I'm gonna show y'all right now how to get rid of your hiccups. Now, you know everybody be talking about how to get rid of hiccups and you hold your breath. But most people don't hold their breath. My lady's looking at me like I'm crazy, but I'm gonna do this video anyway. The thing is, you have to fill your lungs with as much air as possible. So I'm gonna get rid of my hiccups right now. Okay. Now I'm gonna hold my breath as long as possible. You can't just hold your breath. That was a hiccup. You can't just hold your breath. You have to expand your lungs as much as you can. All right? I'm gonna do it right now. Here we go.
Hello. How you doing? Okay. Return to you.
Alright. I let my breath go. They say 10 seconds, but I just let my breath go. Let's see if I hiccup. Actually, I'm not even feeling nothing. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. No more hiccups. So just take the deepest breath you could take. All the way. Inhale all you can inhale and then hold it. Don't just go, oh, I'm going to stop breathing for 10 seconds. That doesn't work. You got to bring it in. Look at my puny chest. Bring it in. Suck in as much as you can and hold it as long as you can, and your hiccups are gone. Gone. Good and gone. All right. You two, we out.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.